Okay, today we're going to look at the TI-15 calculator function that helps us change improper fractions to mixed numbers or mixed numbers to improper fractions. As you can see up on the board there, I started with the mixed number 3 2/5. I know that that means 3 wholes and 2/5 of another. And my improper fraction is 17/5. If you've heard take the denominator and multiply it by the whole number and then add the numerator, well, that's true. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 more. But where do those numbers come from? Well, there's a picture up there also. We know because our denominator is fifths that means each of our wholes is divided into 5 equal parts. So you see in the example up there, the 3 wholes, 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 5/5, that's the 15. When you say 5 times 3, denominator times whole number 15, that's the 15/5, and then there are 2/5 more. So that's how we get 17/5. It's important to understand what those numbers mean, but it's also important for you to realize that there's a function on your TI-15 calculator that can help you with these also. So I'm going to turn my calculator on and I'm going to double thumbs. I'm going to clear it out. Okay. Now, if I wanted to do that example, 3 2/5, I know to put a fraction in the calculator, I can do the number and hit numerator, and then the other number and hit denominator. But when I say 3 2/5, that's a whole number, 3 wholes and 2/5. The calculator makes this so easy also. 3, and now I'm going to hit the unit button. See unit right there? There are 3 units or 3 wholes. So 3 unit, 2 numerator, 5 denominator, 3 2/5. And then I want to change this to an improper fraction. So this button right here that says I hope you can see it. Let me try to get up there close because I really want you to see it. This one right there that says UND and has an arrow to ND. That means mixed number. The big U, of course, is the whole number. So the whole number and the numerator over the denominator, and then change it to just a fraction with the numerator and denominator. That will change a mixed number to an improper fraction. So I hit that button and nothing happened. But if you remember when we were talking about changing fractions to decimals, we want to hit the enter first. And now I'm going to hit that. And it changed it to 17/5. If you remember our example that we started with, we said 3 2/5 is equivalent to 17/5. If I hit the button again, it changed it back to 3 2/5, back to 17/5. This button right here changes mixed numbers to improper fractions or improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's do one of those. Let's do the improper fraction 9/3. 9 numerator, 3 denominator. I know that's an improper fraction because my numerator is greater than my denominator. That means that I have at least 1 whole or perhaps more. So 9/3, that's telling me that my wholes are cut into thirds. I have 9 of them. I know that 9/3 is 3 wholes, but my calculator will also verify that for me. So if I hit enter and then my mixed number to improper fraction button, it changed the 9/3 to, see, I just have the number 3. That means 3 wholes. 3 wholes. And then and the 3 wholes, when I try to go back, it won't go back that way because 3 wholes could be lots of different answers. So let's do another one that's going to give us a mixed number instead of just a whole number answer. Let's do 10 thirds. 10 numerator, 3 denominator. Okay. And 10 thirds, when I hit equals, it went ahead and gave me 3 1/3. And then if I hit, I hit fraction to decimal. But then I hit the mixed number to improper and it put it back at 10 thirds. So there are so many functions that this TI-15 can help with. Mixed number to improper fraction or improper fraction to mixed number.